The byproduct of that dissolution is calcium carbonate, CaCO3. All the speleothems in this cave are made from calcium carbonate. And speleothem, just a fancy word for cave formation. It'll make you sound smart so you can impress your friends. Now, about 30 million years ago is when we estimate the formations began to appear. The first type of formation that would have shown itself, these long thin ones over here, which are called straws, because they look like straws. You will notice that's a bit of a trend in the cave. Pretty much everything's called exactly what it looks like. Does make my job easy. Now, they are universally the diameter of a drop of water. They're less than a millimetre thick, and if you touch them, more than likely, they're going to break and shatter. But under the right conditions, they can be incredibly strong, so do look out for the ones that have weights hanging from them. Now, should they be blocked with a little bit of debris, the calcium carbonate will ooze out the sides, and we'll start to get these more conical shapes, like the ones we see on the roof up here. And they are called stalactites. When it drips on the ground, you get these globby ones. They are called stalagmites. Here's a way to remember. Stalactite, hold on tight. Stalagmite, might poke your butt. Now over here we have some stuff that looks like canopy. So of course it's called canopy. Canopy forms when sheets of water are coming down over the rock, depositing calcium carbonate on the surface, eventually filling in and forming that stuff over there, which is called flowstone. However, when the rock is eroded away from behind the canopy, flowstone won't form. And instead what happens is those canopies just continue to grow in length and they start to look a bit like a beard, actually. Now, you've probably noticed all of this beautiful sparkle. Those are calcite crystals. You see, that water has brought them in. When it dries out, the crystals are exposed. That's when we get the sparkle. Now, the reason the crystals are white is because they're two-dimensional. We only see the colours on the spectrum, your purples, your greens, your reds, your blues and oranges, when it's a three-dimensional crystal. And so we don't see those spectral colours unless the crystals are forming in water